foodie.
Andrew Zimmern.
Here comes that compound butter goes on there.
Right.
Throw a little bit of that hot griddled onion right onto there. It helps to melt the butter. Roasted tomatoes, oven dried for about 6 hours until they're just tart and fruity. A little bit of the crispy onion. We serve it on our truck with our homemade rice vinegar pickles as well that are spiked with chilies. A nice little pretzel bun on there, and take a little taste because that is going to be out of control. That's a nice burger.
Yeah.
Now, we also brought another alternative burger for you guys, stuff that we do on our truck. This is ox heart. It's served with, yes, it's ground ox heart. It's mixed with a little bit of salt and pepper and leaf lard. It has crispy shallots, roasted tomatoes, but the best thing about it, it's got watercress salad.
Oh, that's the best thing.
But it's Pierre Gagnere's grandmother's mustard vinaigrette. So do I.
Heart is so delicious and such an
Very lean.
underutilized piece of meat.
How many of these do you sell a month?
This is going on starting in 2 weeks.
You should get one
August
now.
State Fair. They're great, right?
Get one now before they sell out.
They're great.